Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's videos, we are installing PostgreSQL, one of the most powerful open source databases. Let's get started. Open any web browser and search for PostgreSQL. Click on the first result, which is postgresql.org. This is the official website. Now go to download section. On the home page, locate the download section and click on it. You will see different OS options: Linux, Mac, Windows, BSD, Solaris. Since we are installing on Windows, so click on Windows option. Here you will see download the installer certified by EDB for all supported PostgreSQL version. Click on it, download the installer, and you will see different PostgreSQL version. Select PostgreSQL 17.2, which is the latest version. Go to the under Windows 64-bit. Just click on the download icon and your download will start automatically. If the download does not start automatically, click here as shown on the page and it will start to download. Now you can see the installer is downloading. Once the download is completed, just double click on the installer file to start the installation. The installer will first download Visual C++ redistributable. If required, it downloads automatically. Now a welcome screen will appear. Click on Next. Choose the installation directory. The default directory is C drive under program file. You can change it if needed from here, but keeping it default is recommended. So just click on Next. Now here you will select the components which you want to install. So ensure the following components are selected: PostgreSQL Server, pgAdmin 4, and command line tools. Uncheck Stack Builder, not needed for now. Click on Next. Here you choose the data directory. The default directory is C program files. You can change it if you want, but keeping it the default is fine. Just click on Next. Here you need to create a super user password for PostgreSQL. So enter a strong password. Make sure you enter a password which you will remember, because when you use PostgreSQL, it will ask the password. Make sure you remember that password which you are entering here. Retype your password again. Click on Next. Now configure the port number. The default port number is 5432. Keep it as is. Click Next. Now here it is saying to choose the locale. It is basically a language setting. So keep the default locale, which is English UTF-8. Just click Next. Now verify the settings and install. You will now see a summary of all selected options. Review everything and click Next. Setup is now ready to begin installing. So just click on Next for installation. The installation will begin. Wait for it to complete. Once it's done, just click on finish. Now go to your Windows search bar and just type pgAdmin and open it. Wait for it to load. It may take few seconds. On the right side, click on servers. It will ask for a password. Enter the password which you set during the installation. Click OK. Now you are connected to the PostgreSQL server. Now let's create a new database. Under your connected PostgreSQL server, find the databases section. Right click on database. Click create database. Name your database testdb. Click save. You will now see testdb is created under database. Let's create a table using SQL query. Right click on testdb. Select query tool and just type the following SQL query to create a table. After that, just click on execute. Now a message will appear, query returned successfully. Now let's verify the table creation. Go to under testdb, go to schemas, right click and select refresh. Under schema, go to tables. You will now see the user table is created. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.